As long as you plant and fertilize properly, you will have a productive tomato garden that is also food safe. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. To have healthy young plants, the seedlings must also be healthy and beautiful when planted. So I chose old and strong tomato seeds to use as seeds to grow young plants. Aloe vera has high nutritional content and can stimulate seeds to germinate faster, so I will use aloe vera leaves to scrape out the leaf slime and put it in the soil to sow the seeds. After sowing the seeds, I watered a little and misted to keep the seeds moist for germination. This way, the seeds won't float and won't clump. Today I will use the 20-liter can I have to grow tomatoes. I used a chisel to widen the holes to create ventilation when planting trees. A 1.5-liter bottle I used to punch holes around to make a kitchen waste bottle. To help the plants grow healthily, I mix worm manure and rice husks with the soil to grow the plants. Worm manure provides nutrients for the plants, and rice husks will improve the soil and make it looser. After a few days, the seeds have germinated and grown into young plants. I will plant them in a 20-liter bucket with prepared soil. After planting the tree, I will water it to create moisture for the tree to grow. To avoid environmental pollution, I will put kitchen waste into a bottle to compost. When the waste is cooked, it will decompose into organic fertilizer. The organic fertilizer will flow through the small holes in the bottle into the soil and from there absorb nutrients for plant growth. Now that the tree has taken root, I will provide more nutrients to help the tree grow faster. I add worm castings to the roots to help the tree absorb nutrients directly. To make the tree stand more firmly, I added more soil to the base. To provide nutrients for the plants, I continue to put kitchen waste into the bottle for composting. The plant needs high humidity at all times, so I give it extra water. At this stage, the tree is growing very healthy. I continue to provide nutrients for the tree. I add granular fertilizer to the base. Granular fertilizer is taken from goat manure, so it has a very high nutritional content. I continue to put kitchen waste into the bottle to decompose the waste quickly. I add compost powder to help the waste decompose faster. Now, I will use liquid fertilizer mixed with water to water the plants. Liquid fertilizer is taken from sea fish, soaked for a long time, so the nutrition is also very good for the plants. This is the stage when the tree is flowering and fruiting, so it needs more nutrients for the tree to absorb into the fruit, helping the fruit to be bigger and more fruitful. Eggs contain a lot of calcium, which can help prevent flower and fruit cracking, especially in plants such as tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. At the same time, they also adjust the pH of the soil, helping plants absorb nutrients better. This is the time when pests and fungi invade very quickly, so I use chopped garlic mixed with water to spray on the plants. Garlic is very effective in preventing pests and fungi. It's amazing that after just 45 days, the tomatoes I grow at home produce yields equal to those grown in the field, sometimes even higher. Now I will pick it for cooking. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.